9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1. Ignition. We got liftoff. Shepard cleared the tower.
And New Shepard has cleared the tower on our way to space with our first human crew. Go, Jeff, go, Mark, go, Molly, go, Oliver. You are going to space.
Jeff Bezos and his 3 crewmates are now headed to space.
Beautiful burn on that BE-3 engine.
30,000 feet.
Liquid hydrogen.
History is being made here in the West Texas desert right now.
Propellant. It's a nice,
as
not just clean in terms of
not only the richest man on Earth, but potentially the oldest person to have ever gone to space, the youngest person to have ever gone to space, and the first time that a U.S. company is carrying a paying passenger to space, as we see this mission underway.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.